Alright, it is another good day that we are talking about LTIs or trading. Where do we trade actually? We trade as a clean candles, guys. So today's we are talking when do we trade? The trading ranges. Do you have a range of trading? So for today's video we are talking about top one price action always, guys. We are talking about top one. This is part of top one price action. So without much ado, let me show you when to trade. So we does not trade at these choppy areas. We does not. This is a choppy area. Let me show you another place. For example, this is another choppy area. This is a choppy area. We does not trade. So we trade somewhere like this. So let me show you an example. So we trade at a point like this. So this is a clean candle. This is another clean candle. So we always trade where there is a clean candle formation, where there is a clean candle formation. There is nothing to stop this trade. For example, if it moves like this one, there was nothing in the left to stop that trade. For example, let's take an example. We took a trade here. We took a buy here. So our target was here. Was choppy. This region here is choppy. So our TP will be this point. Our stop loss will be at the bottom of this range here. So that is a clean candle formation. Let's see an example. So you, as a trader, many things beginners that don't understand it. For top one price action strategy, the first thing, don't trade here. I'm going to prepare the setup 1, setup 2, setup 3, up to setup 5 of trading, when to trade actually. So for today's is only about the clean candle. You trade where there is a clean candle to the left. Let example, you take and buy here. Because this is a clean candle, there is no raging market, so there will nothing to stop your trend. Let's see another example here. So very fantastic, guys. So this is a clean candle formation. We call them LTIs. So this is another clean candle formation. So the pullback was a clean candle, a clean candle, a clean candle. You can see the market is consolidation. For example, you cannot trade at this point here. We trade at clean candle, clean candle. That is how we trade them. Let's take another example, guys. So for top one price action strategy, we only trade at a clean candle. You trade where there is a trending range. We does not trade where there is no range, guys. So you need to trade with the ranges. So let's take another example here. So you can see at the left is a clean candle formation, a clean candle formation. Then we take a pullback of a clean candle formation. So we move from a range to a range. So there is a formation of a range here, we move to that range. A formation of a range, we move to that range. We call this one an imbalance formation. This one is balance formation. So I'm preparing the next video talking about the imbalance and balances. So be king, guys. Trade wisely, guys. That is always that I will tell you to do. You trade wisely, guys. That is a key point.